If it's Sunday, watch this video. Yes, that's right, because the challenges in this video are for Sunday. And if you watch it one any other day, you can do the challenges. So if it's Sunday, then watch this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You have 6 seconds to guess the name of the movie by seeing the emoji. You have 8 seconds to find the differences between two pictures. If you find it, like the video. You have 10 seconds to say who rubbed hair.